Hey everyone, hope you are having a great day. In this video I'm gonna show you 7 best websites to download free textures. Let's get started. Number 7. Textureheaven.com. Textureheaven.com is a website where you can find high quality scanned textures for free. You can download what you want unlimited. You can use textures freely in any project or purpose. You will find PBR textures up to 8K resolution with all maps included. And for you who don't know what PBR means photo-based rendering images. You can also be a patron for this website for more exclusive and premium textures. Number 6. ShareTexture.com. This website offers 100% free textures with usually 4K resolution and updated every week with new textures. You can support the website by becoming a patron for more premium and high quality textures. Number 5. CGPocase.com. This wonderful site provides free PBR textures with resolution from 1K up to 4K. There is a lot of categories to download free textures from: wood textures, metal, fabric, tiles, and so on. You can also become a patron for this site for more high quality exclusive textures. Number 4. Texturebox.com. This is quite a new website for 100% free textures, of course, with all maps packed with a resolution up to 4K. It offers different categories of textures in high quality. You can be a patron for this website as well for more premium textures. Number 3. Textures.com. This is really a giant website for professional textures which can be used in graphic design, game development, movies, and 3D rendering as well. You can download free seamless textures for just 1K resolution, and for more resolution you can buy credits for premium use. You can download up to 15 images every day for free accounts, which means 15 credits daily. For more premium stuff you can subscribe for any pricing plan in this website. Number 2. Polygon.com. One of the best websites in the business to download high quality textures with perfect scan for materials from 1K to 8K resolution. You can download unlimited free textures every day. For premium subscriptions there is different plans that offer credit packs monthly which you can use to buy any textures you want. Number 1. CC0textures.com. This website offers a wide library of hundreds of PBR materials with all maps in resolution from 2K up to 8K for a realistic rendering. All textures in this website 100% free. That's all for this video. See you next time.